Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today is Iman, that is belief or faith. Allah the Almighty said in Quran chapter 6 verse 82, Surah Al-An'am, الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَلَمْ يَلْبِسُوا إِيمَانَهُمْ بِظُلْمٍ أُولَٰئِكَ لَهُمُ الْأَمْنُ وَهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ. Those who believe in Allah and they did not mix up their beliefs with injustice. Injustice here means associating a partner with Allah. Those are the people who will have complete security on the day of judgment, and they are the guided ones in this world and in the hereafter. Iman or faith increases with obedience to Allah the Almighty, and it decreases with being disobedience to Allah the Almighty. The Prophet Muhammad told us in a hadith that was narrated by Umar radiallahu anhu, where the angel Gabriel came asking the Prophet about Islam in the presence of the companions in order to educate them about Islam. The angel asked the Prophet, "What is Iman? Ma huwa al-Iman?" The Prophet Muhammad replied by giving him the 6 articles of faith, which are, the Prophet said, "And tu'minu billah," is to believe in Allah, believe in the existence of Allah the Almighty. Wa malaikatihi, and believe in the angels of Allah. Wa kutubihi, believe in the books, the holy books that Allah the Almighty sent to the people through the messengers. Wa rusulihi, and to believe in all the messengers of Allah. Wal yawmil akhir, and to believe in the last day, the day of resurrection, where accountability will take place. Wal qadri khayrihi wa sharrih, and to believe in destiny, whether good or bad. Believers have attributes. Believers are brothers to each other, as the Prophet said, "Al-mu'minu akhul mu'min." A believer is a brother to his fellow believer. In another hadith he said, "Al-mu'minu lil-mu'min kal-bunyan." He said, a believer to another believer is like the bricks that are being put together in building. Yashuddu ba'duhum ba'd. Each of them, strengthens the other. Believers, of course, have attributes. Allah mentioned in the Quran, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا ذُكِرَ اللَّهُ وَجِلَتْ قُلُوبُهُم. The believers are those whenever they are into something and the name of Allah the Almighty is being mentioned to them, or verses are being recited to them, then they become frightened. They hurry towards what Allah the Almighty is telling them. They come back into their senses, being to be obedient to Allah the Almighty. وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. When the verses of Allah are being recited to them, it increases them in faith. وَعَلَىٰ رَبِّهِمْ يَتَوَكَّلُونَ. They always put their trust in Allah the Almighty. In another surah he said, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Verily the believers have succeeded. Who are they? الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. Those who, whenever they are offering their prayers, they have the fear of Allah in offering their prayers. Okay, they always go away. They always go away on things that will take them away from the way of God. Okay, they are the ones that always you see them, advising people to go into good things, and they refrain people from doing what is what? Bad. These are some of the attributes of believers. Let's try to be part of the believers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.